Hey everyone, it's Cassie and I'm here with LDRS Creative, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable interactive raccoon. Isn't he so fun? He comes from a brand new stamp set called Super Critters, and we're going to be using the raccoon as well as that tail and leg stamp. It looks kind of weird, but it works. I'm stamping my images in LDRS Creative Raven Hybrid ink so I can do some alcohol marker coloring. This ink is also good for watercolors and colored pencils and any other color medium you may want to use. When you're coloring this, you don't need to color the tail or the back leg. That's what this other stamp that we colored is, so you don't need to worry about coloring that on the main raccoon. After you're done coloring, we're going to fussy cut it out right along that black line. We're also going to cut off his back leg and his tail. Don't worry if your fussy cutting isn't 100% perfect. Mine isn't either. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a black marker and go right along the edge of the paper. This will kind of hide any spots that maybe we cut a little bit too far, either outside or inside of the line. It will give that nice sharp line again. Next thing we're going to do is take a tiny brad, and if you have a brad the right color, go for it, use that. If you don't, you can alter the color of a brad by coloring it with alcohol markers. Now it's time to put it together. If you take the piece with the tail and the back leg and put it behind your main piece, you can then line it up. You want to punch a hole through both pieces and stick your brad through. And then open up the back of your brad to secure it. You can then test out your mechanism to make sure that it moves smoothly back and forth. And that's all there is to it. The only thing left to do is actually attach it to your project. There's two different ways you can do this, and I'm going to do this with some temporary adhesive just to show you. If you put the adhesive on the back of the head and the front leg, then the tail and the back leg will move. If you put the adhesive on the tail and the back leg, then the front piece will move and he'll lean forward. So you can have him running either way. This is a fun and easy way to add some movement to your cards.